need to leave and make it done because this is the secret of the ndole. See, the thing has to cook. So we dey put Maggi. Put 3 eye Maggi. We'll turn am because it is so it is skip now it tastes well. So we have another pot to cook it there. I'll be cooking on this pot. Okay. So just be looking what we are doing. We will off this one. Hey. Woo! Don't bomb you as I talk. Hey guys, let me off it though. Don't bomb my leg. Be careful the tissue. Hey, the thing is skip They skip like person wey dey skip handball, like when I be dey skip handball, Oh, my wonderful people. I think don't burn my leg. Oh my God. Right, this is my groundnut from Ndole, guys. Groundnut from Ndole. So we change the pot from a different direction. Hey, wonderful. Guys, what we go do and see, we go move some of the meat. If it's too much, because it's like it's too much. We'll move some of the meat, then we'll turn the everything went down because we'll not put all the groundnut at once. We'll put in it. We'll put on the check. We'll put on the check. See the one way remain now. This is what will remain inside here. Look at what I'll be cooking. It depends on the it depends for the now we have meat inside. The chicken, we'll leave it now to steam now. Steam on this the pot of meat. The thing is sweet though. We have our crayfish. So that make the things steam together. Make them marry together. I'm going to put the fire. Make it steam now for this new pot. The pot for meat. So we're going to turn our crayfish. We're going to do the mixture. Now they mix everything mixable. Everything, the groundnut. Because they cook groundnut for different pot because groundnut they burn. Look, like here. Why I cook out different pot because it they burn. See and here it don't burn. You see and for here. This one don't burn for under. So I no go cook them for the pots because I want my pots to let nobody say I go they crash them. They crash them. Then they think they do anyhow. What I go? So we go they cover them. Now we don't mix. We'll cover the pot. Then we'll be ready the vegetable. Guys, I say I'm going to put salmon fish, the heads. I have the salmon fish, you see. Look at now the head with this. So that make it steam together. Yeah, so there I go remove them. After the salmon fish. The head to the tail. salmon. See the salmon fish now. Look at. We dey put am there so that I need that omega oil. I need the omega. Film am well well. That's the salmon fish. So when you steam am now, everything will steam inside.